Kelvin Ariol in the CX Racing FCRX7. Ooh, Kelvin. It's exploding that front bumper. As it says on his windshield, dang. Uh-oh.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday today. I haven't been able to work on anything because it's just been so windy and I've been just busy. So I came back into my garage and there's still a big mess everywhere. So we're gonna try to unload the parts washer that I got on OfferUp for 20 bucks. And maybe we could start cleaning up these parts. Introduce yourself to the crowd. Name?
Joshua.
What do you do?
I don't know. Work at Keys Hyundai.
Dude, my car's gonna smell like freaking solvent. Oh look, and I bought a jerry can off that dude. 20 bucks for the bracket. Oh yeah, it's gonna smell. Huh? Slide this back. Now we're just gonna slide it back. I mean, it's on a thing. Okay, we're good from there. I can slide it down.
My hands are already dirty.
Alright. Just slide that shit down. Alright.
Get this off front?
Yeah, 20 bucks. Okay.
20 bucks?
20 bucks. $20. Alright. Into the light. Alright. Bunch of dirt in there. And grime. But look, we got brushes and Scotch-Brite. Cool. Only thing, the pump might be clogged or burned out. Hella greasy, hella grimy. It's all good. Alright, you think that make any difference? Let's try not to shock ourselves. We need to get to check if this is getting voltage at the pins, right? Don't start a fire. Okay, so I probably wasted too much time on this. As you can see here, I didn't even notice because it's so dirty, it's cracked. Something in the motor overheated and the coils inside came unwound or something. I can fix it. No biggie. I'll find a pump online right now. Anyways, my garage is still a mess. I think that's it for today. We're gonna continue tomorrow. All right, here with little Josh. Oh, we got oncoming traffic here. Okay, so we're gonna go pick up my motor. It's literally down the street. It's at FedEx Freight. I opted out from spending the extra, what, $80 to drop it off because I don't have a business address. So hopefully me and Josh can lift it into this Lexus. And yeah, it doesn't help that it's lifted, huh?
No.
Okay, so we're gonna figure this out. All right, guys, you know what bugs me? Vlog this guy in front of us, Josh. You see how he's in all the way? Oh, well, he already turned. Anyways, looks like it's gonna rain, huh?
Fucking windy today.
It's cold today. All right, I see a bunch of FedEx trucks. Let's see here. There's the GPS. It says to turn left. 911, 911.
Here you go. Just call this number right here and
Okay.
we'll help you out. But just
Just
park
take it.
park right by where the truck does, that black one.
Like to the left of it, maybe?
Yeah, you can park here like on the left or basically on the right. But this guy's got to get out of the way though.
Okay.
Okay.
So wait
Hold
for
on.
him to get out of the way?
Yeah, because he just got dropped. He's just dropping off a package right here, so he should be moving soon. So.
Okay.
Are you Toyota engine box?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get everything together and I'll be out.
Okay. Thank you.
Alright, thanks.
Alright. I'm gonna park right here. Is this I can bring it right out.
Assume with a forklift, we could put it in there.
And I'm assuming they'll be okay because sometimes they get weird if it's SUV or van. They don't want to load it.
Yeah.
This is where your brute strength kicks in. Let's clear out this back. Got a lot of junk in the trunk, you know?
What's in here?
Spare parts. A bunch of shit. Is there recording allowed on the premises? We might have to sign a disclosure. Keep that low pro. Keep the GoPro low pro. Anyways, guys, got a big mess here from that parts cleaner, that parts washer. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna post up a screenshot of what I bought. You know, right here. Got it from Florida. I guess this dude pretty much buys motors and parts it out, right? So he parts out motors and then you just buy what you need. It's kind of smart by him. He probably makes a decent amount of money selling the blocks and heads separately. Well, here it is.
Oh.
Gonna fit, right? Dude.
That thing is puny.
Yeah. Yeah. Can we do that? Yes, sir. There it is. Sure. He's a professional. Record it. Precision at its finest right here. Right? I've seen you guys. Professionals, don't try this at home, people. You've been speeding it up for me. You've been turning it. Perfect. Alright. Got the goods, boys and girls. You see that? I don't know, 3S GE Altezza right here. This is what $400 something plus tax, which equals like 700 something gets you. Cool. All right. You're on the vlog.
Buenas tardes, jovencito. Jovencito, buenas tardes.
Buenos tardes. You're on the vlog.
Estamos buscando a Kelvin Ariola.
Sí.
Informamos que su 1980 Toyota Corolla
Oh,
lo tiene que registrar.
we already got it.
You got the motor?
Yeah, because they close at 5. That's why I called you earlier.
You should have called me. You left this phone at home.
Oh, I just figured you were busy at work, so. Anyways, they loaded into the Lexus, no problem, so don't worry about it. All right.
Well, probably drive you out to your house like at 10:45.
Okay.
At 30 minutes to work.
Can we take a second to look at the sky and look at these clouds? He's so cute.
Look at this dog.
Put it on. Put it on him. No hat. before we go to the meet, I decided I got these guys around, so they're gonna help me pull out this engine.
There's a box.
They're gonna help me pull out this box. I gotta put my dog down.
The bottom of the pallet?
In the middle. Hey, move that parts washer. You got
Two, three.
bend your knees. Rip your pants. Okay. Mama, you're good? Alright guys. It only makes sense to open the engine and see if anything's messed up, right? So let's do that.
Where's Mama? You took her inside?
Yeah, so he's gonna bring her back out. Up and it's gonna be a 4AC.
Big cinder block.
Right? Bunch of disc brakes, rotors. Alright. Okay, looks like an engine so far. Talks like an engine, walks like an engine. Okay, looking at this motor, pistons are really clean. Let's check. Okay, unless it's seized. Cross hatches look okay. This here, waiting on Jim and Steph. She's probably busy doing TikToks. Okay, that's how
I'm a TikToker.
That makes sense.